Swadika, and today we will make cooking chicken ginger. Yes, garlic, pepper. Yes, this is Thai food, but this is my father menu. He cook it by himself. Yes, and we can call it Thai food, okay?
Yes, so now we have finished cut up
Yes.
ginger.
Yes, ginger.
Yes, good.
Okay. I use too much ginger because this menu is need a lot ginger for make taste and make keep food have a good smell and get rid of smell of the chicken. And after and next we broke the garlic.
Okay. Now crushed garlic.
Yes,
Yes.
crushed garlic.
So you need to use a lot of force.
Yes,
You have done this many times.
yes.
Oh.
And garlic, he love to jump.
Yes. So now garlic has been crushed enough.
Yes, and next is
Next.
put pepper. I use to
So now the white pepper and the garlic has been ready for next step.
do like this. See? Yes. And next is the chicken.
The chicken.
Yes. Put it first.
Oh, this is one full size chicken.
Yes. And then now we must put this. Pepper. And sugar. Sugar only 2 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon and half teaspoon. But if you love sweet, you can put 3 teaspoons. It's okay.
And this is brown sugar.
Yes, brown sugar.
Okay.
And next is
The secret. Oh, yes.
powder sauce. Probably only 1 teaspoon and half is okay. It's enough. And a little bit sodium glutamate. ผงชูรสนั่นเองค่ะ Just a little bit, not a lot, okay? To make taste. Yes. Yes, alright. And everything is together now. Just mix together. Sorry, not this one. And after 6 minutes, and we must open and we must check is okay or not. Yes,
Okay.
4 times or 5 times and checking, and it's okay. Don't need to do everything now. Okay. 7 minutes now. We must check.
So after 7 minutes, take up the lid and stir it around. And next time to show, this is
7 minutes again.
after 7 minutes
Yeah.
again. So now another 7 minutes. Let's look.
Be careful.
Yes, I got the water.
And smell up.
Yes, so now another 7 minutes. We do a check again. Oh, yes. Very nice smell of ginger. And the garlic.
Yes. Pepper too. And a lot water come out now. Okay. And now we must wait around 15 minutes and in the last time and finish. Everything is finished. 15 minutes again. Check again. Okay.
So now it's another 15 minutes.
Yes, you can see it became have a little bit.
Camera become foggy. It's
Yes.
warm.
Change color now became black color a little bit. Now it's finished. Need to cooking. Yeah.
Good.
Yes. You can